okay for your dad yet?
Yes. Come on, refresh. Refresh. Ooh, that's it. Oh, what the crap. Hon! Refresh. Are you serious? Freaking Amazon, they already opened it and everything. Good gosh, what is with these delivery drivers? A freaking pizza? Yeah, it's much better than the other things. Dinner! Refresh. Oh my gosh, I sure hope this is it. Finally my wheels have arrived. What is this, dog? Refresh. Refresh. Ooh. Maybe this is it. Ah! All right, to get the car away from my dad for the week so we can put these new wheels on, I had to take him to the airport at 2:30 in the morning. It's still dark. My eyes are barely open, but I'll have his car to do this little project. It'll be a lot of fun. So, off we go. All right, bye, Dad. Have a really good time. Where'd he go? He's gone. He's already in the building. He left his door open. Shake my head. Fingers crossed. What? All right, let's take these back to the Mustang. Now remember, lift with your back, not your legs. Wait, yeah, something like that. The S550 Mustang came with a set of 235 series rear tires, which might explain a little bit of the accidents that happen at Cars and Coffee. We're gonna up the game with a set of Forgeline F01 20-inch wheels, 275/35 front and a 305/35 rear. Now these were in stock, ready to ship, tires mounted balance. All I need to do is install them and Father's Day gift is done. Something tells me I should have waited until it wasn't 96 degrees in the Texas sun to put these wheels on, but I was just a little excited and went ahead and installed them. They definitely fill out the fender wells quite nicely on the front and rears. These 275s on the front, just perfect in line with that. The wheel's a little turned, but on the rear, you can definitely see how flush it is versus the stock one, which is about an inch or two in. Perfect fitment, spot on for the S550. Little poke by the front fender, and also on the rear as well. Comes out really clean and nice. I'm excited these are on there. Those Continental tires are gonna stick. The wheels are super nice. It definitely changes it up quite a bit. Now I just need to lower it to remove that 5 feet of 4x4 gap I have on the fender wells. All right, so this will be the moment of truth. My dad is at the airport. They just landed. picking him up right now. I'm hoping he notices it. But we'll have to see what happens because he's not the most observant person sometimes. Okay, it's 105 degrees out here. My dad's sitting here melting. So I'm gonna walk out there, move his car, and see if he catches it. Hey, Dad, you want me to move the car so Mom has a parking spot back?
Yeah, move it over to the left there, and that way she can park on that side.
All right. Car sure does look good. It sounds great.
Yeah, there's something different about it. Wait a minute. Those rims don't look like my rims. So where did they come from?
Those guys? This came from Forgeline.
Forgeline, okay. And the tires?
Tires are Continental. They're all part of the Forgeline package, though. So I got the wheels, tires, mounted, balanced, shipped to my door. All I had to do was put them on for you.
Wow, man. I really like the way that car sits on those. Got good clearance. Everything's good.
So you like them?
I love them. But you think I'll be able to burn rubber with them?
Probably not with those sticky tires and you're driving.
Oh.
Maybe Mom can.
Oh, okay. Well,
But anyhow, happy Father's Day, Dad.
thank you. Thank you very much.
You got a new set of tires and wheels, and I outdid my siblings.
Yeah, you did. You really did.